In this video, you will learn two very crucial points in polygon modeling. 1. Reconstruction of shape. 2. Correction of edges.
This video is from LaureateDesignLab, School of Design, Art, Architecture, Planning, Consulting and Research.
In this video, you will learn two very crucial points in polygon modeling. 1. Reconstruction of shape. 2. Correction of edges. Reconstruction of shape is done by connecting vertices in front of each other. Correction of edges is done by chamfer with zero chamfer value. In advanced modeling, removal of vertices is at times needed to perform certain add-ons to the existing geometry. Some sorts of extension to the main body of geometry. It will be nightmare if these two techniques are not learned to correct deformed geometry in polygon modeling in 3ds Max. So further in this video, you will be learning these two very important techniques wherein we are going to fix the reconstruction part of the geometry, which is a box here, and then correcting it with the help of the edges.